Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, just log in with your credentials and activate the cloud shell. Now this is going to take a couple of seconds, so please be patient. And this lab is very easy but too much time consuming, and if you get 80 out of 100 on this lab, you can just close this lab because the passing score for this lab is 80. Okay, now just wait for a couple of seconds. Meanwhile, just come on the task number 1 and copy this first command and run over here. Click on authorize. Now just copy this second command and run. Now this command is going to take a couple of minutes, so you can do one thing. Just search for the data stream, open this thing in new tab. Okay, connection profile. Okay, come over here, just wait for a second and you will get one enable API option. Click on this enable API. Now this is going to take a couple of minutes, so wait for that. So if you're getting this kind of page, just go back to your dashboard and open again that tab. Now if you just come over here and if you just wait for a second, you will get this kind of output. Now what you have to do, just wait until this command get executed and make sure your laptop will not go for a sleep. So just wait for a couple of minutes and we will continue the lab. So it's finally done. Now what you have to do, just copy this primary address. You can store to your notepad, or you can just simply click on this plus icon and store over here. Okay, now if you just click on this check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Now copy this command, run over here. Okay, let me just increase the text size for you. Okay, now after that it will going to ask the password, so just copy this password, and just for the cross verification just paste over here and just make sure that there is no extra space, because when you just paste the password over here you can't see the password. Okay, so just wait for a second and you will get a one option to paste. Now here is asking for the password, so just you copy this password, just paste. As I paste, it not visible for us, and just hit enter. And once you're done with this, you will redirect to and connect to the database. Now what you have to do, just copy this command, run over here. Okay, it's not a command, it's a query, so just copy this query. Now copy this query and run over here. Okay, so we are done with both the queries. Now for the task number 2, we already enable all these things. Now here we have to create two profiles. So if you just scroll down, copy this name. Okay, copy this name, go back to your data stream, click on this create profile. From here just choose the PostgreSQL, and for the name just paste the name over here like this. Now for the host name, if you remember we have just stored this IP, so just copy that and paste over here. Okay, now for the username and passwords just copy this, paste here. Okay, now copy the password, paste over here like this. If you can see, this is my password. Now copy this database name, paste over here like this. Okay, now click on continue. From here choose the IP and click on continue. Now click on this run test. You must get the test case succeed. Wait for a second and your test will be passed. Now click on create. So we had done with the one profile. Now we have to create the second profile, so just copy the name for the second profile carefully. Okay, come over here, just click on this and click on create profile again. Now this time choose a BigQuery, click on that, paste the name over here like this. Okay, and just wait for a second and you will get an option for create. So as you can see, click on that. So we have done with the both the profile. Now we have to create a stream, so just copy the name. Okay, copy the name, come over here, click on the stream option, click on this create stream. Now for the name, paste the name which you copied. Okay, and for the source type choose PostgreSQL. For the destination it must be BigQuery. Okay, scroll down and click on continue. From here choose this, click on run test, wait for a second and click on continue. Once you get a green tick. Now for the replication slots and publication name, if you just scroll down, copy this, paste over here like this, and for the publication name copy this and paste over here. Okay, like this. Now if you see in the object section, if you can't find the test option, that means you haven't performed this task. Okay, so that's the reason you will not get a test option for here. Now what you have to do, click on this checkbox. Okay, scroll down and click on continue. Wait for a second, and the destination choose the BigQuery and click on continue. Now here please pay attention. First of all just click on this region, and from here just choose a US Central 1, and here for the limit it must be 0 seconds. Click on continue and wait for a second, and here click on this run validation and make sure your stream must be get validated for all the terms and conditions. So just wait for a second and we will see the result. So as you can see, all the parameters are correct. Now click on this create and start, and click on this create and start. Now this is going to take 3 to 4 minutes to run, keep the stream is in running state, And if you just go to the BigQuery option and click on that, and if you just come over here and click on this down arrow, here you can see there is no data set and there is no table name. So if I just scroll down, okay, so we have done with all these steps. Okay, and now if I just click on this check my progress, we will get please start the stream. The reason is behind that our stream is still in creating state, so just wait for 3 to 4 minutes, and after that we will get another error over here. Okay, so as you can see now the status is in running state, and if you just click on this check my progress, you will get another error. Okay, and here you can see it started but data is not loaded to BigQuery yet. And if you just click on this check my progress for here, you will get a 60 over here. Okay, as you can see, just wait for a second, the score will update. Let's move to the BigQuery part, and if I just refresh the page now, and if I just click on the here you can see there is one data set called test, and here the one table called example table. Now if I just click on this preview, now for me the IDs is 4, as you can see. Now we have to just wait, and before that if you just see it's now 60 out of 100. Okay, one more thing, if you just want to pass this lab, just come over here. Okay, and make sure if you're getting like reconnection error, that time what you have to do, you have to run this command and then give the password as we done in the task number 1. And if you're already connected to your database, you can just copy this command. Okay, copy this command and run over here like this. Now copy this command and go back to your BigQuery option, and in the editor just run this command and click on run. Okay, now here you can see we are getting the output like 4 IDs, but as mentioned in the lab instruction, it's 7. So we are going to wait in the 5 minutes time period, and after that we are click on this check my progress, because this thing and this thing is get sometime take 20 minutes, sometime take 30 minutes to give full score. So those who want to just complete this lab and do not want to waste more time, they can just keep hitting on check my progress, and if they get a check my progress over here, they can just simply end the lab. Okay, so just wait for 5 minutes more, and after that we will check the score for here and here also. Okay, So we have spent 5 minutes. Now if I just click on this check my progress, okay, let's see. And if I just click on this check my progress, we will get a score or not. Okay, so as you can see, luckily I got a score over here. And if you didn't get a score over here, so do not worry about that, guys, because the lab act weirdly. Sometimes it will give the score over here or sometimes not. So okay, so now we have to just wait for here. And if I just rerun this command over here, okay, if I just rerun this command, I still getting the 4 IDs. Once I get the 7 IDs over here, okay, after that I will get a score for the last task also. And again I am saying, it's not necessary that I got a score on this. I was lucky that I got a score. If you didn't get a score on your first attempt, just wait at least 20 to 30 minutes, because I have tried this lab multiple times, and on that basis I am saying that it's going to take almost 20 to 25 minutes to complete the task number 3 and task number 4. Okay, so now again just click on check my progress, and let's see, we will get a, so we are getting the output like this. And if I just go to my table and let's refresh the page, okay, now again we will wait for at least 5 minutes more, and after that we will check we will get a full output or not. Okay, so we have spent 5 minutes more over here, as you can see. Now if I just click on run again and wait for a second, and still I haven't got a full data. So if I just click on this check my progress, I will not get a score. Okay, so again wait for a couple of minutes more and let's see we will get a score or not, because this task is going to take around 20 minutes and we already spent 10 minutes, and now wait for 5 minutes more and after that we will check. Okay, so as you can see we have spent 5 minutes more, and now if I just click on this run option, and now finally after 15 minutes I got a full output as given in the lab instruction. Now if I just click on check my progress and let's see we got a score or not. So we still haven't got a score. No need to worry about that. As I told you, lab take all around 20 minutes, minimum 20 minutes to complete last two tasks. Okay, so we will wait for 3 minutes more, and after that we will check that we got a score here or not. So we have spent 3 minutes more. Now if I just again click on this run option, let's see what is the result. So this is the result. Now if I just click on check my progress, and let's see we got a green tick or not. So as you can see, after spending 18 minutes for the last two tasks, I got a score. And I am again saying it's not necessary that you have to spend 18 minutes. Sometimes you might have to spend 15 minutes, or sometimes you have to spend more than 30 minutes. So do not worry. If you have just perform all this task and you are just waiting for these two tasks, you have to just wait. No need to do any other thing. You can just be patient and just wait. Okay, so that's the way we have to complete this lab. Thanks for watching guys, and have a good day.